Operation Tutorial Video. Outdoor Flight. Fly the drone in open outdoor space. Take out the remote controller and the drone, and unfold them. First, power on the drone and then the remote controller. Toggle the left joystick of the remote controller up and down to pair the remote controller with the drone. At a beeping sound, the pairing has been successful. Long press the calibration button until you hear the beeping sound, then long press the geomagnetism button on the remote controller, another beeping sound. Next, pick up the drone and rotate it horizontally, clockwise until you hear the beeping sound. Then rotate the drone with its camera facing downward vertically clockwise until hearing another beeping sound. And be patient while the drone is searching for satellite signal. When you hear the beeping sound, the remote controller will be successfully unlocked in the tow-out direction to control the drone to take off. Basic operation demonstration. APP Operation Demo. Scan to download and install the APP that is compatible with your device. Turn on your phone and connect it with the drone Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the APP and mount your phone to the holder to start the flight. Device selection. Click the GPS option in the device selection of the APP. GPS Follow Me mode. Click the Follow Me mode icon and the drone will start to follow after the target. GPS Point of Interest. Click on the point of interest icon on the APP and enter the desired altitude and radius. Then click on the airplane icon on the screen to enter point of interest mode. GPS Flight Planner. Click on the flight planning icon on the APP, then design the flight path on the screen. Next, click on the airplane icon to enter flight planning mode. Indoor Flight. Power on the drone and the remote controller, toggle the left joystick up and down to pair them. At a beeping sound, the pairing has been successful. Then, long press the GPS icon to turn off GPS, which will turn from on to off. With this, the remote controller will be unlocked in the tow-out direction to control the drone to take off. Propeller replacement. Use the built-in screwdriver to take out the propellers for replacement. Please pay attention to Title and V and install them into the corresponding arm and fix with screws. Charging demo. The red light turns solid when the drone's battery is being charged, and turns off when charging completes. The indicator lights blink alternatively when the remote controller is being charged and turn solid when charging completes. K60 Operation Tutorial Video.